For this project, you will need a blank t-shirt. You will then use the heat transfer vinyl and heat transfer mask provided by the library at a cost. First, prepare your design. Open Adobe Illustrator. Your design could be made with design software or a digital image you have. Click New File. Choose the size of your workspace, which is how much space you will have on the shirt. Click Create. Add your image. Click File and then Place. Find your design or image and click Place. Click and drag to fit your image onto the workspace. Edit as necessary. When the design is set, add a cut line to cut out your design from the vinyl. The easiest way is to add a shape. Click on the Shape tool and choose the shape you want. Then click and drag it around your design. Make the center of the shape empty to leave only a stroke line. Click on the Selection tool to move it or edit the shape further. Now turn the shape into a cut line. In the Properties tab, click on the stroke color. Then click the Swatch Libraries menu. Choose the Roland VersaWorks swatch. This opens a new window. Under the Color tab, make sure the stroke color is in front of the fill color. Then click the magenta box, which is the Cut Contour color. In the Properties tab, change the thickness of the stroke to 0.25 point. If it is too thick, the printer will print it instead of cut. Save your design as a PDF file. You are now ready to print. First, add the media to the printer. Carefully move the printer forward to access the back. Place the heat transfer vinyl on the media holders. Feed the vinyl up through the gap between the pinch and grit rollers. The grit rollers are stationary and marked with arrows on the back panel for you to gauge where they are. You want a grit roller at the edge of each side of the vinyl. Press the lever down to hold the media in place. Move to the front of the machine and open the front cover. Lift the front lever to release the pinch rollers. Then shift the pinch rollers until all of them are over the vinyl. The farthest two pinch rollers should be lined up with the grit rollers and on the ends of the vinyl. Press Enter to set up. The printer will measure the vinyl. It will display the size on the screen. Go to the computer and open VersaWorks. Click File, and then Add Job to Queue. Choose QA. Find your image from your USB drive and click Open. Once loaded, you should see an A with a square around it under Special Cut. This means the printer recognizes the cut line. If not there, do not print. Go check your design as it will not cut the line. Double-click on your job located in QA for the media settings. Click Get Media Width for the actual size of the vinyl. Click Center on the media and do more than one copy of your design for spares and to avoid wasting material. Go to Quality Settings and make sure the generic heat transfer sheet is selected. Then go to Cutting Options. Check the box next to Cut Passes and change it to 2. Next, set the cutting condition settings and change the cutting force from 50 to 70 GF. Click OK. Click the print icon and then print. The printer will load the job, which may take 5 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the file. The printer will then print the design. Then it will cut. Once finished, press Function and then the down arrow twice until Sheet Cut appears. Then press Enter. The printer will cut the vinyl off the roll. Make sure to release the pinch rollers and slide the vinyl out of the machine to avoid damage. Delete your job from VersaWorks and close the software. You are finished with a large format printer. Prepare your design by cutting away excess vinyl. Then remove the negative vinyl that you do not want on the shirt. This should peel off easily, leaving your design attached. If not, the cutting didn't work. Get the heat transfer mask and cut some of it to fit the size of your designs. Remove the backing of the mask and carefully adhere the sticky side to the designs. Try to avoid any bubbles. If it is not straight, you can cut it and recenter as needed, but try to do this between the designs. Separate the individual designs as they are now ready for application. Now switch to the heat press. Let the reference desk know you are switching machines. Flip the switch to turn on the heat press. Click on the numbers to the left and check the settings. For the vinyl, it needs to be 305 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 pressure, in 15 seconds. Before the press gets too hot, double check the pressure. Place the shirt on the press and push it back under the heat platen. Press the fabric. Check to see what the pressure is. If too high or low, unpress the fabric and turn the knob. Right will increase the pressure, left will decrease. Remove the shirt as the press continues to heat up. When the press is ready, remove the backing to the vinyl design, keeping the vinyl attached to the heat transfer mask. Pull out the plate and place the shirt on top, making sure it is flat. Add the design where you want it. Add a Teflon sheet if preferred to help protect the vinyl. Push the shirt under and pull the lever. Wait as the heat press counts down the time. When finished, lift the lever and remove the transfer mask from the design. If it does not peel off easily, you can press it again. Push the platen back. Press the power button on the screen to put the heat press in standby mode. It will now cool down. Congratulations, your shirt is finished.